Hi everyone, this is Bag of Dawn at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Wednesday, August 25th, and we did something today that we haven't done in a while, and that was to showcase Swing Machine trading stocks. And I want to give credit where credit is due, and that is to this young lady. Last night I kind of knew what I wanted to do, and I was thinking, I'm going to plug in some stocks into Swing Machine, and I'm going to do a live broadcast. And it was like, well, what stocks should I plug in? And lo and behold, she just happened to pop up on my Twitter stream and said, would you like my watch list for tomorrow out to all her followers, out to everybody? And I saw the tweet and I said, sure, I'm game. And so these were her stock picks for today: AMC, GameStop, BB, Nokia, EXPR, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, BTX, BABA, Rail, SPSC, TCOT, OCG, the symbol TKAT. These were her picks. I think there's a total of 16. And as a courtesy, I do want you to know, I did say to her that I'm going to, in the morning, I'm going to plug those into a couple of our radars, and I'm going to take a gander. Some of them, of course, I'm familiar with, but most of them I'm not, and many of them I haven't traded. And I'm going to take a look at them on a daily basis to get an idea as to where I think they might be, which ones might be the better opportunities today. And then I'll plug them back into Swing Machine, most likely on a 5-minute interval. Let Swing Machine do its magic, and let's see what we got. And let me show you what the outcome was. By the way, we're going to expedite the trading. We did a live session. It was a little over 3.5 hours. It's still there minute by minute if somebody wants to watch the full 3.5 hours, but we're going to condense it down to hopefully less than 5 minutes and show you the outcome. Here goes. So the very first thing that we did was to take the stocks that she provided us. There were a total of 16. We plugged them into our sentiment radar. And at that point, we were able to discern which stocks on a daily basis were in what we would call euphoria and which stocks were in a panic sell. And from there, we said and thought that the company BIOC might be the best opportunity. And not that the stocks in euphoria couldn't go higher, but they might carry the greatest degree of risk, and all the other stocks were certainly we're prepared to buy. We weren't going to fade or sell any of the stocks. If we were going to do that, we would use put options, but it's much easier to be a buyer of stock in calls. There's reasons for that, and it's not to say that stocks are always going to go up, but technically there are some reasons. So once we knew that, we then went back to our radar and Swing Machine, and we plugged all the stocks in, as you can see, on a 5-minute basis. And let me show you where they finished at the end of the day. And we were explaining in this live video how Swing Machine works. So if you want to see the full video, it's about 3 hours and 38 minutes, and we covered a lot of ground. But just to expedite the outcome, after 3.5 hours, these were the signals for today. Now, there may have been one or two that we actually had to trade out of for Swing Machine, but these are the signals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 buys. Nokia at $11.20, a $10,000 investment would have been up $33. OCG, 11 a.m., 900. TCOT, huge, at 10.55. And this was it was a sleeper up until 10.55, 4,000. A 46% return in a very short period of time. This SPCE, $68, $291. Rail, which I thought would be the best, $129, and then Faceplant, $20.37. So I'm not sure of her process, but she did very, very well in the stocks that she picked. She really did, and we say thank you. And it gave us an opportunity to kind of showcase who we are, what we're about. And when we get stock opportunities, how we manage them. We wish everyone the best. Tonight, we will scour the Twitter sphere for some other picks and maybe plug them in tomorrow here while we're in the month of August. If you have any questions about who we are, what we do, you're always welcome to visit stockmarketcaddy.com. We are not a broker. We're not a financial advisor. We don't make specific recommendations. We are an algorithmic mechanical trader, primarily of futures, but we can use the same tools to trade just about anything, stocks, options, you name it. My phone number, if anybody wants to chat, is 813-758-8263. And again, thank you for this Twitter person for the sharing of those stocks. Anybody taking these today had a great day. Well done.